Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, we'll discuss pushing and pulling tracks in Instruqt. We'll start this with a track that has already been created using the Instruqt CLI. If you have not installed the CLI or learned how to create a track, visit our tutorials playlist and then return to this video. Deployment from the Instruqt CLI involves pushing your local track to the Instruqt platform. In other words, we've created a track in the CLI and need to push it to the Instruqt platform in order for it to be live with all of our changes. So let's start in our terminal. We've just used the CLI to create a new track called My Cool Track. In order to deploy and play our track, we must push it to the Instruqt platform. To do this, type cd and then the track slug. So cd my-cool-track. And now we're in our track directory. Let's push it to Instruqt. So type instruct track push. Let's click on the track URL to see our new track. Great! Now let's discuss how to pull a track from Instruqt. Pulling a track allows you to download it from Instruqt. For example, if you create or edit a track through the web UI, you can download it locally to your system with the new changes. So we are now looking at our new track within the web UI. Let's go to Edit Track Details and make a quick change to the title of the track. We'll call it My Super Cool Track. Scroll down and select Save. Let's switch back to our terminal. To pull our updated track from Instruqt, let's type instruct track pull. It appears we've gotten an error. If this message appears, it means we might have accidentally modified the track locally and on Instruqt without syncing the changes. That's okay, we'll simply use the force option to forcefully overwrite. So we'll type instruct track pull --force. And there it is, well done. For more information about pushing and pulling tracks, head to our documentation page.